guys, it's me, Teenage Dreamser. You might not see my face in this video, but this is not really usually one of my usual videos. How to set up a saxophone. Let me move this a little closer to you. There we go. Okay, so here's how. When you get your saxophone, well, this is for alto, but it should work for any kind. I mean, except for the Barry. The Barry's kind of big. This is for alto and tenor. I have an alto, but I don't know how to say that. Okay. It should come with this part of the saxophone. It's like the main part. It doesn't have the mouthpiece on. You should also have a mouthpiece. It should have a cork at the end. All the valves that are necessary, not really valve, but come with a little tight screw thingy. Cork cap. One or two mouthpiece thingies. A actual mouthpiece in its case. Whoa, this is hard. Oh my gosh, this is complicated. Like this thingy, particular. Mouthpiece, actual what you put your mouth on. And your neck strap. Okay, so what you're gonna do is to start out with, you're going to, okay, when you get your saxophone, it should have a little knob at the end. Just pull that off. It should come off pretty easy. You're gonna, then, well, we're gonna set this aside for a while. And on the mouthpiece, we're gonna start off with. The mouthpiece should be this thing with the cork at the end. Like I said earlier, you're gonna wanna get your chap and spread it on there. If you don't have chap, it's fine. It's just easier to use. So, it smells good too. Well, mine does. And we're going to set that aside for a minute. Then take your black mouthpiece. Then get one of your reeds or whatever they are. Take it out of its case. Then you're just going to set it on top of the part with the hole. Should be pretty simple. Just keep it there for a while. Then you're going to get the metal piece right here. You're going to put that on it right here. Right, other way actually. Wait, that's the other way, yep. Yeah, sorry guys. I'm new to this. There you go. So you just put it on until it's pretty tight. I guess, yeah. Then you're gonna get these screws. The lighting's not the best in here, I apologize. You're gonna get them tighter. You're gonna set that aside too. Well, actually, when you grab this, you put the chap on there because then it's easier to put that on. There you go. Now you're just going to adjust it on how it would be comfortable. That's the mouthpiece. Mine's not that good yet. But there it is. That's how you get the mouthpiece. Try to get that right where it should be. Yep, that's pretty good. Now you're going to grab your sax. Like that. Put the mouthpiece on there. There you go. You're going to tighten the screw. Mine's pretty tight already. Then I'm gonna get me that collar thing. You're gonna strap that on one of the holes on the back. Mine's just like, oh man, I would have gotten a cameraman, but you know, it's okay. I am not gonna pose for you guys because I haven't even taken a band lesson yet. But then, oh well, then you got your sax. All good, right? Just gonna play. Yeah, I don't know how to blow yet, but pretty good, right? Okay, that's all. I know this video's a little long, but rate 5 stars, comment, favorite, try.